Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So I'm here to share a small haul that I got from my little scrapbook store. I'm so excited to share with you some of the items that I got. Some items I was able to order after they came back in stock. And of course, we're going to start with a beautiful bag. I love how it has thank you on it. It always comes with the ribbon on it, but I take the ribbon off so you don't have to watch me try and struggle. And we're going to pull everything out. So the first thing I got was another bottle, empty bottle for the glue press. And I did that because I wanted to have a spare needle tip, because like this one is the very fine tip, but I like using the one that's a little bit wider so you can see it a little bit better. But the precision tip, you get both in the empty one, so you can do one or the other. So I wanted to have a spare tip. And then I also wound up getting some more of the oh my god, what is that called? The staple thing. Oh, I can't even think what the name of it is called right now. Tiny attacher. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, I got some refills on the staples. And then I got these two inks. Now, the first ink is the Villainous Potion. And I did that because my entire piece just comes off. So I can still use it. It's a little annoying, but I got a new one to replace it just in case. If it starts to get to be too much to deal with, I'll switch them out. And then I also got this Cloud 9 gray ink from Lisa Horton. On the image, it did look more like a white, but it's going to be interesting to play with. And I, of course, love the plastic bags. You can keep those and reuse them. So I love that. And then, the newest thing. So, my little scrapbook store has its own product. They have what's called Scrappy Bits. And these are so cute. I love the colors. This green and like orangey color I thought would go really good with Willow Grove from 49 and Market, and even the Botanical from 49 and Market. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then this is the black, gold, and silver sequin pack. You can never go wrong with that. Because that's a good accent for really any project. And then, of course, because of the holiday season, had to get the red, white, and green. I mean, you just got to get it. So, and they're all made in the USA. And it's so fun that they now have these elements. So make sure you go onto the website. I'll have links to all the websites, the Facebook pages, everything. Okay? And this is a stencil that I got. I love the gears. There's something about it. Sometimes behind some mixed media or like layers that you're doing on your layouts, there's nothing like a good stencil. So I that's why I got this one. Then we got at the crop, we had the stamp set that we got for free. But we had to get the die set to go with it. Well, you didn't have to, but they offered it for you to buy it to go with it. And I slept on it and forgot to get it. So I ordered it and now I have it. I also got from Arden, the Arden collection, I guess you could say, these 3 stencils. I really like the idea that they're like ledger. One's got like the stamp elements, and then this actual stamp set is all arrows. And you never know when you need an arrow. And if you don't have one in the collection, you can grab the stamp, put the arrow right on the project, and call it a day. Love it. And when they first came out with this, it sold out so quick, and I'm so glad I was able to get one. So this is a die set. These are film strips. And I think the top one looks like it folds. That's what I was doing with my finger there. So it'll be interesting to play with those. Now, this collection I loved from afar, okay? I saw it when it first came out. I love astrology stuff. And so when this one came out, I missed a lot of it. And I Was gifted a wonderful project from Michelle to play with, but I wanted to play with more papers and keep that separate. And she had some individual pieces. So we have some chipboard elements. I think that's what I just put down. These are the epoxy coated stickers. I love the different zodiacs at the bottom. That other one I just showed was the washi tape. This is the ephemera, which has a lot of frames in it, which I love, love, love. This one is actually a rub-on, a blendable rub-on. And these are all the constellations of the different horoscopes. I like that. And then on the back side of it, I'm going to turn it around here in a second. I'm just looking, trying to see how they have them all grouped. But then you have this rub-on element, the numbers, and what looks like stars at the top. So I'm going to hold it up as close as I can. You can see all those stars there. So you get a lot of rub-ons in that. And then, oh my God, these laser cuts are gorgeous. I love, 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 love the dream catchers. You got cherubs. You got all kinds of stuff in there. So those are going to be fun to play with. And then we have these rub-ons, which are great for adding layers. You got words and wings and moons. It's just so beautiful. And I even like the white and gold stuff too. I'm going to turn it on its side here coming up so you can see it. I was trying to read some of the words, and then you got symbols. I love those stars. Those are fun rub-ons. Now for the paper, I was able to get the basically the solids and then the pattern papers. So I'm not going to open the solids, but I am going to show you the different pattern papers. You only get one of each in this collection. And you can see the A sides, B sides. I really love them all. And if there's one that doesn't really speak to you, usually on the back side, it's gorgeous. It'll speak to you, I promise. So those flowers look fun. But I love that back side with the different shades of blue. And then how these look like actual like clouds in the sky. And then you have all the stars. Now this one would be cool to cut out the inside part. And then like kind of put it down on top of your paper with some foam underneath. But then look at that. I really wish 49er Market would hear me. Just give us 2 of each sheet. We'll pay the extra money. Okay. Love the cut aparts. Love the background. Even this one is cute too. I like that. And then this one looks like all clouds. It's so pretty. On this one, you got some cherubs and some wings. But I really love this side. So I'll probably be using that side the most. And then the dream catchers. And the wood grain. But that's okay. Because if I use the wood grain, I can use the dream catchers from the laser cuts. So love it. And then in this pack, you get 2 of each sheet. So you can get 2 in the solids, but not in the pattern papers. I'm like, stop it. Raise the price a little and give us an extra sheet. Trust me, we will buy it. And then look at how Michelle coordinated the ribbon to really go with this collection. She's so considerate, you know, and that's one of the reasons why I truly enjoy purchasing from her. And I'm telling you, you won't be sorry. So many goodies. I'll have the link to the store down below. If you're not a member of any of our Facebook groups, those will be listed as well. Please consider joining. You won't find a better group of people, I swear to you. All right, you guys. So Thanksgiving is coming up. I hope you guys have a great holiday. And if I don't have a video for this weekend, just bear with me. We've been very busy at work and we're short staffed, and I just appreciate y'all. And I hope you have really a great holiday.